Gold and silver traded with a modest bullish bias and in a range bound manner throughout this day today. We have seen gold ranging in between 2032 to 2040 levels, and silver between 23 to 2320. These were the levels I have been mentioning since long, that these are critical resistance levels for metals to break past by. Now, what to expect today? How we can profit? The lot much of data awaited. Yes, lot much of volatility also expected. We have to be trading with the stop loss and a trailing stop loss. With that, let's start. We will look with the help of charts and indicators what is going to be our strategy. First, gold followed with silver. Watch till the end. If you're new to the channel, subscribe to the channel to get the latest updates. Yes, press the bell icon to get notification, and do like, share, and comment, friends. Your every action matters to me a lot. First update I released with the Europe session and Asia session, and next update is this with the US session. Do watch both. Let's. If you look at the gold on the hourly charts, after this sharp drop, it has been trading in this bullish channel. The highs of this channel somewhere here at around 42, 43 levels. We have to be careful. Yes, this zone in between 38 to 42 indeed is a greater resistance, and after that I will be looking forward to 48.52 zone. 48.52 is a greater, and yes, if you observe on the hourly charts, higher lows are seen here. 2028, 2032 is a greater support zone. Only and only if it breaks below this zone, then we can treat this as bearish. Else, if you notice on the hourly charts how gold has been trading, see this, look at the moves, continuous, the bullishness is increasing. Yes, we can see higher highs are getting achieved, higher lows are respected as well. And yes, on the downside now, 2028-32 zone is what you should watch out. Moving averages are divergent and bullish. Stochastic has dropped a bit. MACD not showing much of the indications here. RSI is yes showing a little. Likewise, on the 2-hour charts, moving averages trading with divergence. Price is taking the support from the 20 period moving average, looking upwards. We have to wait for it to now break beyond 38-42 zone. Beyond that, certainly more bullishness can prevail, and I will look forward to a breakout beyond 40-42 for confirmation of a rise towards 48 levels, 47, 48, and then 52. This is the zone where we have the next resistance, beyond which we will look forward to 20-60-65. The stochastic rising, MACD trying to converge crossover for a buy. It is still not crossed over. RSI almost flat. Observation is nothing different on the 3-hour charts as well. Yes, look at these multiple candles, flat bottom at 2034, making it a very, very good support. And then, yes, 2832, very, very strong support. The stochastic rising, MACD is on the verge of a crossover. It is not yet crossed over. Do not think that it cannot rise further. Yes, it can start to diverge and continue to rise. Be watchful. RSI flat. Coming to 4-hour chart. Now look at 4-hour charts. Moving average is crossing over here. Signs of bullishness. But look at these three candles. On the upside, it appears there is a greater pressure from the upside. It is failing to break beyond 20-40-42 zone. And thus, if you look at the momentum here, see double bottom was seen. Symmetrical move, a rise. And now if you see gold breaking below 2035, 2034 levels, certainly little more bearish momentum can prevail. But as long as 28-32 zone is respected, we should not be treating this as bearish. Now look what has happened. Higher lows here, higher highs. So this candle may try to approach towards 40-42, and possibly once it stays above this zone, you can look forward to the next targets at 47-48, beyond which sky is the limit. Stochastic rising, MACD is bullish, RSI is flat. Coming to before we look into daily charts and I share the strategy for the day, if you want to learn this art of trading, be a part of my 28th mentorship batch commencing on. 28th mentorship batch already started. 29th mentorship batch bookings are open. Register yourself now. Reach out to me via Telegram or email for more details. Also, if you want to join the Signals channel on Telegram, ping me. Yes, join the free Telegram channel to get the live notifications and be a part of my platform forexfunda.com for more details. Yes, there you get the live data releases, live charts, and yes, you can book a call with me if you need any consultation or guidance. Now look at the daily charts. What has happened in the preceding two candles? One must have a look at it. See, bullishness was there, but look at the body size. The diminishing body size suggested that the bullishness is diminished. That is one indication which is making me cautious of the bulls out here. Now today what has happened, higher lows are seen, and if you look at yesterday what we have seen, higher highs. Also, if you look at the lows and the highs from the preceding few candles, you can observe again 28-32 should be a greater support. And on the upside here, you can look forward to 48-52 zone, which is indeed a greater resistance. Right now for the day, higher lows, so higher highs, we can expect it to move towards 50-52 levels. And one more thing to remember, again and again I am sharing, this is a flag formation. It has to break beyond 2060-62 levels. Yes, any point of time in the near future, today, tomorrow, day after tomorrow, or next week, yes, gold stays above 2060-65. Just stay bullish. We are looking forward to 2100 plus levels. Now look at MACD. MACD on the daily charts has crossed over here for one bullish candle. Thus, it appears that today again it is going to deliver a bullish candle. That is my expectation. RSI rising. Considering this, buy at 4042 zone. Yes, you can buy here at 4042, first resistance zone, beyond which we can look forward to 4748. And once it stays beyond 52, that is the point you can confirm that next we are looking at 58 and then 60-65. 60-65 is the zone. See, below this 60-65 there are few key numbers. What happens is it tries to break past one resistances, it comes down, then break, achieves higher highs, then comes down. That is how it is going to trade. So as and how it breaks past now 42 levels, the bullishness is certainly going to increase. Once it breaks past 48, more bullishness is going to be seen. But only reversal confirmation is gold is if it trades about 20-60-65 any point of time. On the downside, a selling entry is below 2032 levels, but be cautious of 28 levels. Very good support exists here at 2830. And if it breaks below 2830, that is the point of time you can confirm that gold is trying to trade bearish, and we can look forward to 2024, 2018-20. The next support zone is at 2018-20, below which you can say gold is going to crash. 2010, 2000, and 1997. Take your trades accordingly. Now let's have a look at silver. Now silver on the daily chart, see higher lows are done. It is looking forward to deliver a stronger bullish candle. That is my expectation. If you see it is staying about 2320, stay bullish in silver. We can look forward to 2350-60 zone. This is the zone I will expect for silver to break out. Once it trades beyond 2350-60 zone, we can look forward to 2380, and then any point of time silver trading about 24-24-20, treat this as a breakout and it is going to rocket high. On the downside, see I am directly giving you the levels today and just showing you. See, stochastic is slightly overbought, but MACD has crossed over, trading with divergence and bullishness. I think similar observation you can see on the 4-hour charts, where it is taken the support from the 20 period moving average and now looking upwards. Wait for it to give a breakout about 2320. Stochastic rising. MACD, this is the concern here. MACD has crossed over, trading with divergence. It requires a stronger bullish candle for a confirmed reversal. Thus, again, sell at $23 levels. Expect it to move. See, on the downside, one has to be very cautious. 2270, 2280 is the support zone. As long as silver stays above 2270, 2280, treat silver as bullish. Yes, as long as 2270, 2280 levels are not taken on the downside, treat silver as bullish. It can bounce back. Above 2320, 2350-60 is the zone where we have maximum resistance. It appears that silver might hit 2350-60 zone today some point of time. Thus, we have to be trading with caution and trade carefully. You can take your positions, buy about 2320, but as long as 2350-60 is not taken, you have to put a stop loss at your entry prices and keep buying if you see it again trading with the bullish bias and breaking the resistances. On the downside, selling at 23, but then you have to be extremely cautious as long as 2270, 2280 is not taken. Trade accordingly. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. See you again tomorrow with the Asia and Europe session update. Join my mentorship batch webinar series Signals channel. Reach out to me for any of your queries. Thank you.